Hello my lovely Aquarius, I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, for giving lots of love and beautiful messages to me Aquarius. I really thankful for you all. This is the reading in which I'm going to tell you that what your soulmate is trying to tell you, what your soulmate is feeling to give you, basically what they want to tell you, what they want to basically express you. Okay, so let's start your reading. It is not going to resonate with each of you, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation. Okay, so this is your soulmate. How do they feel about you? Okay, how do they feel about you? What are the messages they are feeling for my lovely Aquarius? What are the messages they are feeling for my lovely Aquarius? So these are the videos. This is the video in which I'm going to tell you that. Okay, let's see what are they feeling, what are they thinking. Let me tell you. If you don't like my video, you can leave it out, because it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay Aquarius, let's start. What is Aquarius soulmate is thinking? Okay, let me do like this. Okay. What are the soulmate thinking to Aquarius? They're thinking to give you new hope and new desires. They're thinking about you. The Star card is there. What are Aquarius soulmate thinking? Wow, Three of Pentacles. They're trying to give you some kind of relationship on a higher level of commitment. They want to take the relationship on a higher level of commitment. Let me see. What are they feeling? What are they thinking? King of Swords. Justice. What are Aquarius soulmate thinking about Aquarius? What are they thinking? You are their wish fulfillment, Aquarius. They want you to be with them. Okay, what are they thinking? What are they thinking about Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. What my Aquarius soulmate thinking about Aquarius? Wow. Six of Cups, Four of Wands, the Chariot. They want to move forward. You are the wish fulfillment of their life, Aquarius. You are the soulmate of their life. Okay, and your soulmate thinks that you are the soulmate. Can you see? Four of Wands. And they want to move forward with you. Okay, they want to move forward with you. The person is from your past. Six of Cups is all about a soulmate card, the past person. Okay, and the Justice is being served in their favor or in your favor. Okay, let me clarify these cards now. And the King of Swords, but you are emotionally unavailable for them. Why is it so? Why are you not emotionally available, Aquarius? Let me clarify. What is the Star? Please clarify the Star. Please clarify what is the meaning of Star. You are keeping patience, Aquarius. You are thinking that there are some secrets hidden from you. That's why. This is you, the Star. You are thinking that there are some secrets hidden from you. That's why you are taking the energy of King of Swords. But that's not right. That's not right, because your soulmate is thinking to spend the rest of your life. They want to move forward with you, moving in a forward direction. The Chariot is there. So let me see. What is Three of Pentacles? Yeah. See, they have a clarity that you are the Empress for them. You are someone who is the Empress. And bottom of the deck is Hierophant. They want to get married with you. They have that clarity in their mind. They don't have any doubt, any confusion. They don't have. They know that you are someone who has to be treated right. Okay. Hierophant. They want to give you some kind of commitment in same as like a marriage. Okay. So let me see why there is King of Swords. Please clarify King of Swords. Okay. So there were some conflicts around you in the past. That's why your guards are high. That's why you are protecting yourself. That's why you're taking the energy of King of Swords. That I'm emotionally unavailable. Because of the past conflicts, you are protecting yourself. Don't be more protective, Aquarius. Be more open. Why there is justice? Help me out. Clarify justice. Sun. Some of you are dealing with Libra. Justice is all about Libra. But this is just the justice is what is the justice? And the justice is the Sun. And the bottom of the deck I'm having Six of Swords. You're coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. The new beginning is there for you. New beginning in love, new beginning in life. Okay, this is the happiest card in the tarot. Okay, why my camera is not clear? Okay. So this is the happiest card in the tarot. New beginnings are waiting for you, and that's the karmic justice for you, Aquarius. Be more open. Don't think that you are keeping your patience and you're thinking that there are some secrets hidden from you. But that's not the case. I don't think any secrets hidden from you. Okay, let me see. Why are you thinking like that? Because, see, you are holding back a lot from this person. Four of Pentacles. Because of the past conflicts, you were surrounded with some conflicts in the past. That's why you are guarding, you are protecting yourself. You are taking the energy of King of Swords. Let me clarify Nine of Cups. Please clarify Nine of Cups. Please clarify Nine of Cups. Please clarify Nine of Cups. In the past, you were putting lots of efforts into something. Eight of Pentacle, you have put lot of efforts in some relationship. Okay, so but you only received sleepless night, deceptions, and the burdens. 10 of Wands, 7 of Swords, 9 of Swords, and 10 of Wands. 7 of Swords, 9 of Swords, and 10 of Wands. You only receive this energy of deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation. You spend lot of sleepless nights. You carrying lots of burdens. But you were thinking that this is my wish fulfillment. But that was not your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. Okay. But you were putting lot of efforts in that situation. But don't worry at all, Aquarius. This is not the case. Okay, the new energy I'm looking at right now, this is your soulmate. What they are thinking about you. Okay, so they are thinking very beautiful, to give you something very beautiful. Let me tell you, what is this Six of Cups? Please clarify Six of Cups. Please clarify Six of Cups. Clarify Six of Cups. Clarify Six of Cups. The Six of Cups is King of Cup. Okay, there is a past person. This is your soulmate, which is there from your past, who is the King of Cup, who is emotionally available to you, Aquarius. Okay, and this is you. You were manifesting some kind of passionate new beginning. Okay, you are someone who is King of Wands is someone who is very passionate, attractive. This is you, because Magician is there. Magician is all belong to Aquarius. So you are manifesting some kind of passionate new beginning. Can you see there is Ace of Wands? So you are trying to manifest some kind of passionate new beginning, and there is someone who is there for you, Knight of Wands, but you are putting an end to that energy. Okay, you are putting an end to that energy and you are manifesting something new. You're putting an end to this player kind of energy. Knight of Wands is all about player kind of energy, in and out energy. So you're putting an end to that and you are manifesting some kind of passionate new beginnings. Okay, you're manifesting some kind of passionate new beginnings in love. And the person from your past is King of Cups. Okay, there is a person who is your soulmate, who knows, who is emotionally stable, who knows the value of emotions basically. Okay, let me clarify why there is Four of Wands. Clarify Four of Wands. Please help me out to clarify the Four of Wands. Please clarify Four of Wands. Please clarify Four of Wands. Please clarify Four of Wands. What is the meaning of Four of Wands? Please clarify Four of Wands. You are guarding yourself a lot, Aquarius. You are becoming more self-defensive. Don't be more defensive. Okay, be open. I know you have gone through a lot of things. Okay, but don't be in that energy. You are just right now resting yourself. Take care of yourself. Please clarify Four of Wands. Clarify Four of Wands. Here it is. I'm having Queen of Cups. Okay, here Queen of Cups and King of Cups again. Okay, so there is Six of Cups again here. So this person is your soulmate again. I'm telling you, Aquarius. Yes, Six of Cups, both are here. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Here is your divine counterpart. Here is your match. Okay, but they are trying to approach you with this. Some communication is coming your way. Lot of communication is coming on your way through online social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Okay, so communication is coming your way, but you are defending, and they are trying to start with this Page of Cups, a small message, hi, hello, or small offer. Okay, but they are trying to approach you. Okay, Aquarius, but you are resting, you are taking care of yourself, you're protecting your heart, and you are defending yourself, you're protecting your energy. But don't take that energy. Okay, Aquarius, because they want to start a new they're taking the leap of faith in you, and they are starting a new beginning with you. Okay, because here it is, the Sun card is there. 1414 was the recording reading time. So they want to start a new beginning with you. So you just have to take a leap of faith and go in a forward direction. Okay, let's see why there is a Chariot. Clarify Chariot. Nine of Cups and Nine of Pentacles. This is your wish fulfillment, and they see you someone who is very passionate, very attractive, very passionate, very attractive, who is happy, abundant of everything. That's why they want to move in a forward direction with you. Okay, Aquarius, and you are the wish fulfillment for them. Why there is Chariot? Please clarify Chariot. Chariot, please clarify Chariot. Hermit. Okay, either you are taking the energy of Hermit or they are taking the energy of Hermit. Please clarify Chariot. Clarify Chariot. Clarify Chariot. See, this is your match, Aquarius. Why I am saying this? Because their hit is King of Swords. Okay, this is you, King of Swords, and here it is Queen of Swords. They want to give you equal amount of give and take, and they want to give you Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment. Okay, they want to offer you Ace of Cups and Six of Pentacles, and they are your match, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so this is, they want to move forward with you. That's what they are feeling, okay, for you. Can you see Six of Pentacles and Ace of Cups? Beautiful energy for you. Let me see what is the advice for Aquarius. What is the advice for Aquarius from the universe, from the divine? Please help me out. There is someone who is rushing towards you, Aquarius. That is toxic. 1717 was the recording reading time, and I've already done your main reading, and this was the exact cards which has came in your reading. This player is coming back for you. They are manifesting you, Queen of Wands. That is toxic for you. Okay, they are coming your way. Okay, they are manifesting you. Okay, stay away from this toxic energy. Secrets are hidden from you. The Moon card is there. They're working a lot to get back. Yeah, they are putting lot of efforts to come back in your life. Any other advice for Aquarius? Any other advice for Aquarius from the divine, from the God, from the universe? Judgment, death. Some of you are at the crossroads, Aquarius. That's the judgment. You have to hold back. 4 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, death and judgment. Bottom of the deck is 2 of Wands. You are at the crossroads. Some of you are at the crossroads. You have to make a decision, okay, whether to continue with this kind of devil energy, or you have to welcome the life partner, soulmate. And that's the judgment, that it is going to end. This 10 of Pentacles, because you are holding back from them, and that's very good. They want to give you some kind of offer, abundance of everything, but you are holding back from them, and because you are holding back from them, this situation is going to end. The death and judgment is there. Okay, so it's there in your hand, Aquarius. They are coming towards you. They are manifesting you. Okay, they are manifesting you. See, they are manifesting you. They are rushing towards you. This Queen of Wands is rushing towards you. And this is toxic one. This is not good at all. They are working so hard to achieve you, to come back towards you. Let me clarify one more thing. What is justice? Clarify the justice, the Sun. Clarify the justice, Sun. Please clarify the justice, Sun. Ace of Pentacle. But you are more on a Five of Cups energy, feeling sad and remorse on past things which has happened. Do not be in this kind of energy, Aquarius, because this is something very beautiful is happening for you. This new soulmate, the soulmate is entering in your life and they want to give you the sun, a new beginning. The Ace of Pentacle is there. Okay. You do not have to worry at all. Okay. The Empress is here. The person from your past is manifesting you. Two persons are manifesting you. The person is manifesting you. Okay, the King of Wands, again that thing is come. So they are manifesting you, Aquarius. This player kind of energy is manifesting you basically. Don't get trapped in that energy, because here is your pair here, King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Sorry, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay. Okay. Do not stuck in that energy at all. Just leave them as soon as possible, because they can only give you conflicts, hurts, past hurts and all. Deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation. Okay. There is someone who is your divine counterpart, the King of Cups and Queen of Cups. And the person is from your past. Okay. Soulmate card. This is also a soulmate card. And this is also a soulmate card, Four of Wands. Okay. They want to move forward with you, Aquarius. Can you see? They want to move forward with you. The Chariot is there. Okay, you are the wish fulfillment for them. They see you as a star. Okay, so they want to take the relationship on a higher level of commitment. Okay, so this is the thing what your soulmate is thinking about you. Okay, this was the thing what your soulmate is thinking about you. And let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one more thing. These cards are very slippery. That's why I don't use them, because these are very slippery ones. Help me out to tell me the difference between the karmic one. I know the difference, but help me out what they want to do. Why they are coming back to Aquarius life, the karmic one. Why the karmic ones are coming back? Why the karmic soulmate coming back? Why the karmic soulmates are coming back to my Aquarius? Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. I am doing this so that you can know how you will identify which one is your karmic and which one is your life partner, soulmate. The communication is coming back. Okay, you will communicate with them. Why they are coming in Aquarius life? Help me out to tell why karmic soulmates are coming back to Aquarius life. Why they are coming back. You're completing some kind of cycle. Okay, justice has been served in your case. They get to know this, that they have done wrong with you. Okay, why they are coming back? They see you as someone who is King of Swords, who loves the truth. Why they are coming back? They want to make you move towards a calmer water. Okay. They want to make you move towards a calmer water. Okay. Or they see you moving towards the calmer waters. So that's why they're coming back. Yeah. Put you in a thought. They will come and this will happen again. Three of Swords. They will come again, and that's why they are coming, because they are seeing that you are moving towards calmer waters. You know the truth and now you are moving towards the calmer waters. They know this. They know that you're keeping your strength with you. They're coming again. Three of Swords. Why they're coming? Why they are coming towards Aquarius? The karmic one, the karmic soulmate. Why they are coming towards Aquarius? Knight of Pentacle, Eight of Pentacle. Why they are coming? Why they are coming towards Aquarius? Why they are coming? They see you as growing, Aquarius. Five of Wands. Only conflicts are there around with this person. They have spent some sleepless nights without you. They were also unable to sleep at nights. Five of Wands and Queen of Wands is again coming in your reading. So this is someone, the karmic one is the Queen of Wands, okay, who is passionate, attractive and mysterious. Okay, they are coming back in your life to give. There will be conflicts only, okay. They will be back in your life and there will be conflicts only. They see you that you are defending yourself, you are protecting yourself, you are working hard now. Someone, you're putting efforts and you're working hard on yourself, okay. They are looking at you, they find you very attractive now, okay. They find that you are protecting yourself, you are working on yourself, not on themselves, and they are waiting. They see you that you are waiting your ships to come. They're coming towards you. Knight of Pentacle. They're coming towards you slowly, but they are coming. They will only provide you this. Three of Swords, Five of Wands and Nine of Swords. They were unable to sleep properly at the night, okay. There were conflicts around you, and there is Three of Swords, again the third party situation. They will give you again this. The Queen of Wands is there, is your karmic soulmate, okay. So stay away from that person. What's the advice for Aquarius? Release the burdens which you are carrying on yourself. Ten of Wands. What is the advice? What is the advice? What is the advice for Aquarius? Take a leap of faith in the Fool, Aquarius. There is someone who is the Emperor. Wow, that's your soulmate. Four of Wands. Take the leap of faith in that and move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith. Fool card in the Emperor, because that's the soulmate, life partner, soulmate for you. Okay, the Four of Wands. Okay, this is your soulmate, the Four of Wands. Okay, take a leap of faith. Release all the burdens which you are carrying on. Any other advice for Aquarius? Any other advice for Aquarius? And defend your energy. You are defending your energy or yourself. Any other device? Queen of Cups. Two of Cups. Yes, this is your soulmate. You, Six of Wands. You're getting success in achieving all the things. Okay? Just stay away. Just don't accept the cup from the devil. There was a devil here. Okay. I just saw. Okay. And that's the judgment for you. That you are not accepting the cup from the devil again. Four of Cups, not accepting the cup from the devil. Stay away from them. There was King of Cups here in your reading. They are very slippery. They are very slippery. Okay, take the leap of faith. You are someone who is an emperor. This is you. Okay, so you are rising as an emperor. Take the leap of faith and you have to take the authority of your life, Aquarius, and wait for the life partner, soulmate. And here it is Queen of Cups, the Lovers, and Six of Wands. You're receiving your success in achieving your soulmate. Just put an end. Put an end to the devil. Don't accept the cup from the devil. Any other advice? Don't accept the cup from the devil. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I am having King of Cups. And that is Queen of Pentacles. So this is your divine counterpart. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. There is someone who is financially stable rather than you. So accept the cup from them, okay? They are your match, basically. Okay, so these are the advice for you, my lovely Aquarius. Do not accept the cup from the devil and stay away. Stay away from the devil. That's the message for you. I don't know why I'm thinking that there is someone else. Something else. 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords. Wow, that's why I was thinking like that. See, 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Cups. Abundance of everything. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. Princess of Cups, Queen of Swords. And that's why there is King of Swords. King of Cups, Queen of Cups. The same cards are there for you every time I am doing your reading today. Okay. I can make you understand like this. Release all the burdens and the stores. You're completing a cycle. That's why there was a world, because 10 of Wands and 10 of Swords both are there. But don't worry at all, Aquarius. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. Okay, because there is King of Cups and Queen of Cups here. Okay, in this deck too. So there is a King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Okay, they want to give you this Ace of Pentacles, some stable solid offer, committed offer, commitment in your relationship. 2 of Cups is all about soulmate. Okay, and 10 of Cups, abundance of everything. And then there is 4 of Wands again. So these 4 cards tell me that this is your soulmate for sure. Okay, 4 of Wands is there for 2. And there is King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Then again there is a pair here. So this is your divine counterpart. This is your reading for December 2020. How your soulmate thinks about you. Okay, so soulmate can be your life partner soulmate. And I was, while doing your soulmate reading, there was a karmic soulmate here too, which was trying to interfere in your life, who is kind of trying to coming back in your life. Okay, so I took the messages and energy that too in this reading. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. See you soon. Bye bye.